السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أيها الأطفال الأحبة، أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم إلى الحصة الثانية. Dear children, this is our second period. Do you know what I said before? Welcome to our second period. Hissat means second period. Okay, Hissa means period. Hissati Thaniya means second period. Okay, welcome to our second period. In the first period, we took a new lesson. What was the lesson name? Are you remembering? Do you remember? Fil Hadiqa. What was the meaning of Fil Hadiqa? Are you remembering? In the garden. But I said to you, we have to learn some Arabic words from that chapter. We learned 6 words with meanings. Okay, before that, we revised all the Arabic alphabets and its symbols, harakat, fatha, kasra, lamma, sukun. And you learned it already. You have to revise at home. Now, we are in our first lesson, Fil Hadiqa. This is the first unit. In the first chapter, I took Fil Hadiqa, in the garden. Usage of demonstrative pronouns, Ismul Ishara, Hada and Hadihi. I explained what was the, how to identify a word is male or female in Arabic language. I gave a clue that day. Do you remember that? We can see in the end of that word, ta'a marbuta. Okay. If it is standing alone, we can see like this. And if we are joining with other letters, we can see like this. This is same. Both are same letter, ta'a marbuta. Okay. We can see ta'a marbuta in the last. A female word will be ending with ta'a marbuta. If you are seeing a word is ending with ta'a marbuta, you have to identify it is a female word. If you are not seeing ta'a marbuta, you have to identify it is a male word. Before male word, we have to use which pronoun, demonstrative pronoun? Hada. Before a male word, we have to use hada. Before a female word, what we have to use? Hadihi. Hada, hadihi. Okay. Now, I will write some words on the board. You have to use hada or hadihi before that words. First, you have to identify is it male or female. After that, you have to write in the 2 columns. In the appropriate columns, you have to write that words. Okay. I will write on the board. All of you look at the board now. Write the words in suitable place. Okay. First, I am writing that words. What is this? Sivar. Sivar. All of you read it? Sivar. Tifl. Deek. What it is? Deek. The next word, dajaja. Dajaja. Okay. Sivar, tifl, deek, dajaja. Next word, shufra, shufra. Rajul, mar'a. Okay. And one more word is there, bint. Okay, we learned we can identify the word is male or female because we can see letter ta marbuta in the last. But sometimes we can't see like that ta in some female words. Example, bint. You know the meaning? Do you know the meaning of What is the meaning of Mother. And what is the meaning of bint? Girl. If you know the meaning, it is very easy to identify because we can't see this letter ta marbuta in that words. Okay. Bint. I wrote the word bint. You can't see ta marbuta. This is ta maftuha. Then also we know the meaning of this word. That's why we can identify this is a female word. Okay. Did you understand? Bint. Bint is not a male word. We can't see that letter ta marbuta here. Then also we have to identify it is a female word because its meaning is girl. We can't see ta marbuta. Then also we have to identify it is a female word because we know the meaning of What is the meaning of mother. Like that we can see, rarely we can see ta marbuta in the name of a man also. Example, Hamza. Hamza. How to write Hamza? Look at here. Hamza. Hamza. Ta marbuta is there. But this is not a female word. This is not a female word because Hamza, we know it is a boy's name. Okay, it's a boy's name. And another word I will show you, Shams. Shams. We can't see ta marbuta in the last. Then also we know Shams is a female word. We can't see ta marbuta. Example, bint, Shams, Rarely we can see like this examples. But I said the common rule of Arabic words. How to identify? Most probably we can see ta marbuta in the last. Sometimes we can't see like that. Rarely we can't see like that. Then also if we know the meaning, we can identify it is male or female. But now I am not giving like that words. You know, bint is girl. Okay, it is a female word. Then you have to do one thing first. If it is a male word, you have to circle it. If it is a female word, you have to underline. Example, I will show you like this. Sivar. You can't see ta marbuta in the last. Then you have to circle. You can see ta marbuta in this word. Then you have to underline. Did you understand? Okay. Then after that, I will write here hada. Hada. Here hadihi. In the first column, you have to write hada sivar. Okay. Hada sivar. Hadihi shufra. This is the example. You have to complete all the words like this. You have to write in the appropriate column. Sivar is a male word. That's why I wrote in the column of hada. And shufra is a female word. That's why I wrote in the column of hadihi. Like that you have to write all the words in your notebook. Are you ready? Okay, take out your notebook. You have to write in the first page. You know already, you learned in the first standard also this Arabic language. Then you learned in the first page you have to you have to take right side because Arabic language we will start from which side? Right side. Then from right side you have to take the first page, and in the first page you have to write your name, subject, class and section. Now you don't know the section, then you have to write the subject, class name. After that, you have to leave one page and take the new page and write the heading of our lesson. What is our heading? Fil Hadiqa. Fil Hadiqa. This was our, I wrote on the board in the first period. You have to write that heading. After that, you have to do this activity. Did you understand? Okay, children, I am going to rub this. The next one, we learned all the symbols of Arabic letters. Look at here, Alif. I have to read this A. What shall I do? What shall I do? I have to put a symbol. Which symbol it is? Which symbol I have to put? Fataha sign. This is Fataha sign. In the next page, you have to write all the Arabic alphabets with its symbol of Fataha sign. Okay? Fataha sign. Alif to Ya. You have to put this symbol. In the next page, this everything you don't want to do one day itself. You can do in the on the next day also. One day you have to write with Fataha sign. Next day you can write with Kesra sign. Okay? Look at here how to put Kesra sign. This is Kesra sign. We can use Hamza also above the Arabic letter Alif. We can use Hamza. The same pronunciation test. Then we have to put Fataha sign. Then which sound we got? Then if we are using Kesra sign, we can put Hamza down and put that Kesra sign here. Then we got the sound of E. Then next one. What was the next symbol? Are you remembering? Next harakat. What was the next harakat? Lam. Then only we will get the sound of U. You can do one thing. If you are putting Lamma sign, Hamza's place will be changed into up. Okay. I am writing Hamza here and writing Lamma sign here. What it is? U. You have to write this all signs or symbols in above all the Arabic alphabets. U. The next symbol is Sukoon. We have to put Sukoon up above the letter. Okay? You got the sound of Now you learn A, E, U, E. You have to use all these symbols in the different pages. In the first page, you have to write all the Arabic alphabets without any symbol. In the next page, you have to write with Fataha sign. In the next page, you have to write with Kesra sign. And in the next page, we have to with Lomma sign. And next page, you have to write with Sukoon. You are free at home now. Already you are learning only one subject on one day. Then you can do these activities one day, one page, next day, next page. Like that you can go. Then it will be easy to revise. This is only a revision of previous knowledge. Okay. Then after that, we have to learn one more thing. We have to get the sound of A, E, U. Then only you can read the words properly. I will show you. This is called Mad Alif. Mad Alif we have to use to get a long sound of A. If I am using after Ba, Alif without any symbol, I can read Ba. And if we are putting Kesra sign, or we want to get E, long sound of E, then we have to add one Ya without symbol, without harakat. And if we want to get U, we have to use vav without harakat. This is called mad alif, mad ya and mad vav. I will show you. Al-mad. Okay? We can use 3 letters for mad. We will get with alif, a. If we are using alif, a. And if we are using ya, we will get the sound of e. This is mad ya. And we have to write vav. We have to add vav. Then we will get the sound of oo. Did you understand? Okay. I will write on the board. All of you read it properly. Okay. First I am making 3 columns. Then I am writing in the first column the word with mad alif. And in the next column I am writing with mad ya. Mad alif. This is mad alif. Here mad ya. Okay. Here mad va. Okay. Now we are going to start to write the words with this all mad. Okay. We learned 6 words in the first period. Are you remembering that? Do you remember that? Yes. What was it? First word. First word. What was it? First word. Door. What is the Arabic word of door? Bab. You have to write bab. Look at here. Ba. Then if we are joining with other letter, we will write half letter ba only. After that, I have to write alif. What it is? Mad alif. I didn't put any harakat, any symbol. That's why we are reading ba. All of you read it? Ba. Bab. What it is? Bab. Then next, look at here. Ta. What is it? Ta. Then I am using ya letter ya. Then it will be ti. Okay. If we are adding ya, we can read it ti. We learned one more word in that lesson. We can use that word. No need this letter. We can use that word itself. Okay. Ha. What it is? Ha. Ha. Di. Hadi. Then I am using mad ya. I am writing with color chalk. You have to write with color pencil. Okay. Hadi. Hadi. Hadiqah. Hadiqah. Bab. Hadiqa. We got mad ya. In the next word, we have to use vav. We learned one more word. What was it? Tabut. What was the Arabic word of box? Tabut. You have to write that one here. Ta. Ta. This is also mad alif. I am not writing with color chalk because in this column we are learning about the mad vav. But you have to understand it is mad alif. Ta. Tabu. Okay. Tabu. Tabut. 3 words I wrote with this all mad. You have to do one thing. You have to find out other words also from our lesson and fill in the blanks. So many lines are given. If you are seeing that words, you can write here. Okay, you have to find out 5 words. If you are not seeing in this lesson itself, this much words you can find out from other lessons also. Okay, children, today's class is ending now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. إلى اللقاء.